Good morning, guys. Welcome back here to the hillside. Today we're doing a little plant profile. Now this is Spiderwort, and as you can tell, the bees in fact love it. It is a native to Virginia, Ohio, several species native to Americas, to the Tradescantia family, and it is a perennial. It is amazing. If you have a moist, damp area, it will absolutely thrive. It likes to grow on creek banks and moist, low-lying areas such as that. And I mentioned that the bees absolutely love the flowers. Every morning I love coming out here and watching the bees. There's honeybee here, there's some bumblebees, a lot of other native pollinators just find this plant so beneficial. Now what makes this plant so special is, oh yeah, spigot, right? Big fun. But anyhow, a lot of water gets back here, so this area stays pretty damp. And that's what really makes this plant in particular right here flourish. Now it will spread, so if you have a concern about it taking over an area, you'll have to just cut it back or divide it. But it is fantastic. It is blooms all the way until fall. It is fantastic. Like I mentioned, I just love this plant. This is actually from a cutting for one of my grandmother's friends who's long since passed away. But this has been basically hand-me-down for over 20 years in some shape or form. But I mean, just look at this, guys. It's over here in a little spot. Now, bees just having some good old time right here on this flower. So if you have a wet area and you like to have a plant that's going to be easy to care for, I literally do nothing for this. I fertilize the flower beds maybe once every spring. Keep a nice heavy mulch on so the soil stays moist, and it just takes care of itself. It just absolutely does fantastic. The only drawback to this, as you can kind of tell down here, if it does get a little too tall, it has a tendency to kind of lay over, but that's okay. It does fine. It's just in a great spot. This gets full southern exposure sun. Like I mentioned, it stays pretty consistently moist with the water hose and cleaning the porch off and things like that. So this little area here is just an absolute treasure trove of activity. There are bees every single day on this flower. It is just one of my favorites. So if you've ever grown Tradescantia or Spiderwort, definitely give it a shot. It's very easy to propagate. Basically, you just dig up, you can divide it, stick it in the dirt immediately, just give it some water and forget about it. It will take care of itself. So let's talk about pests and disease. Guys, this plant is virtually untouchable. The deer will not eat it, which is a major plus for me. It has no diseases that I know of. It takes care of itself. This is an all-around amazing plant. This is a 100% winner in my book. If you love this plant, absolutely find some. You can maybe find some even growing wild. It's not really that common in nurseries. However, if you do find it, absolutely put it in your garden collection. It is going to surprise you. It's just how amazing it is in the long run.